Say hello, buddy. And you, Dotty. Say hi. Hi. There's the terrible twosome. It is bright and breezy up here today. We come up to the car park, and there wasn't one car. We're the only people up here that have parked anyway. Perfect. It is beautiful. It's a bit chilly. Really pretty today though. Let me spin you. That's the cows you can hear in the distance. I think they've just been fed. I've just seen the farmer's truck coming out of the field that they're in. And they are making lots of noise. Aren't they, puppies? Puppies! Ah! Hi! So we're up nice and early. I think I need to put my sunnies on. I have bought them. I prefer not to wear them in the morning because it helps you wake up if you don't have sunglasses on. But I did bring them just in case because I thought it's going to be very bright up here today. And I actually remembered to bring my sunnies. I'll take them off when we're walking the other way. As I'm walking directly into the sun. I'll put them on. So, good morning everybody. How is everyone? Good, I hope. We're having a nice morning. Woke up, made myself a nice mint tea and headed straight out with the dogs. So we're out nice and early. The sun is coming up. It is beautiful out here today. I haven't seen the sun yet. Lovely jubbly. We left Luke in bed, giving him a little lie in. He let the dogs out early this morning and fed them, so now I am walking them while he has a couple of hours kip. I've dressed up for the occasion. Da, 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 da. How about that then? That is actually Buddy. Luke got me a t-shirt with Buddy on the front as a present, and I wear it quite a lot. But I don't think I've ever worn it out whilst walking him before. I don't think I have. So that's rather funny. But I've got to have it my cardi zipped up anyway because it's a bit chilly. Oh, there's the cows. Yeah, it's a bit chilly up here. My fingers are a little bit cold. But it'll soon warm up. Yeah, so I've got to keep this zipped up. I do think that's quite funny, out walking my Dalmatians, and I've got a picture of Dalmatian on my t-shirt. I didn't even think about it when I got dressed this morning. Hilarious. Anywho, just thought I'd pop on, say hello. I hope everybody's good. And hope you're all having a lovely morning. And we're just up for our early morning walk. Tiring the dogs out, as per usual. Now the time you've all been waiting for. Are you ready? Are you ready? Go! That'll keep them busy. They both adore a squeaky toy. It's their favourite thing in the world. But we don't have them indoors because they're so noisy. So we save them for outside. They love them. Time to go home for breakfast. Yeah. Nothing like a good walk in the morning and then going home for breakfast. I love that. Probably just have my normal boiled eggs, nothing exciting. Although I could run to the shop. Nah, boiled eggs. Boiled eggs always. And then go see if Lukey is awake yet. Maybe he is. I haven't heard from him, but that doesn't mean he's not awake yet. Let's see what he wants to do for the day. Meant to be nice and sunny today. Happy days. Let's go get food. Used to be a kids program. Beaker.
Oh yeah, Megan Beaker Moore.
Not Beaker.
What's your favourite?
Oh, what's your body got, Hitch?
I'd say like 24. We'll go with 200 then. I'm joking.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Stop for a little cheeky drink while we're out with the dogs.
Yeah, pit stop. I'm thinking about getting some of that fish. I just see some.
I got a task for you.
What?
You have to try and get Buddy to sit in that castle so I could take his picture.
Well, I could easily get in there.
Are you up for the challenge?
What do I get? What's the prize?
A really nice afternoon with your missus and 2 dogs?
Nah. I'm right. If the prize was good, I'd probably have a go. Right, you ready to try the challenge? The prize is to do all the washing and cleaning and all of the duties at home. Do you want to take the challenge?
There, then. No change there. Right, Buddy, come. Sit. Wait. Wait. Now take a picture.
Too late. He's out.
That was good, boy.
He's like, I waited long enough. Do you know what? This is a perfect pub, really, because it's a walk to get here.
You enjoying your beer?
Oh, sorry, I didn't even see you recording. It's just in my own world, then. Beer o'clock world.
Cheers.
Watch out, you'll get a hangover.
Hangover off
Keep drinking
plastic water.
Keep drinking bottles of that. You'll be fucking hammered in a minute.
Bottles and bottles of water.
All right, stop slurring your words. I'm getting the taste. I think I'm ready for another beer.
Yeah, it's dangerous on a Friday. That's why I'm drinking water, because it's Friday.
Just in case, yeah, because every time we fucking drink, we go out and get hammered.
If it's Friday, yeah. Buddy just stuck his tongue out.
Stick your tongue out, buddy.
Thursday exercise class I go to is it's called exercise. He's tired. Buddy, you're a cool dude. Buddy, are you a cool dude? What? What?
Bleeding there, go.